receptionist didn't blink. When I looked at the elevator, there was no 7.
The buttons lit from 1 to 6, then skipped to 8. Asked the clerk, he smiled like his fate. Said floor 7, that floor ain't in style. Then handed me a room key and a wink that felt vile.
Don't press too hard.
I waited till midnight, took the stairs alone.
Don't press too hard.
Counting each floor like rosary stones. 6, then blank wall, no door, just peeling wallpaper and warped wooden floor.
Ain't no 7, but I found my heaven. Stuck in a groove, and we just keep stepping. Elevator skips, time rewind. Check in once, but you lose your mind.
Pried a gap in the wall, saw a hallway lit in blue. Felt like memory fog, like deja vu. Heard a trumpet loop in the same damn note. Jazz band in tuxes, playing like ghosts. One drummer blinked, that was it. No eyes, just dark where his sockets sit. I stepped in, floor creaked like a voice in pain. And the air smelled thick like burnt champagne.
You're just in time.
They played a groove that bent the air.
You're just in time.
Bass too heavy like a psychic stare.
I tried to leave.
The door was gone. My watch spun backwards, the night stretched long.
Ain't no 7, but I found my heaven. Stuck in a groove, and we just keep stepping. Time don't move, lights don't fade. Every song's the same parade.
Years passed in seconds or seconds in years. Music filled my shoes, hands, ears. The saxophone moaned like a memory lost. And I danced till my breath turned cold with frost. Now I play too, tambourine and grin. I'm the new guy on floor 7. Come on in.